top 10 animals that look from another planet. Number 10. Kakapo. This is the largest parrot in the world, the kakapo. It's a flightless bird native to New Zealand. You might be surprised to know that it's also one of the rarest birds on Earth. Just look at it! Its feathers are a lovely shade of green, almost like camouflage in the forests it calls home. It's got a big, round body, and its beak is curved and strong, perfect for cracking open seeds and fruits. One of the most interesting things about kakapos is their nocturnal lifestyle, which is unusual for parrots. They spend their days roosting in tree cavities or under logs, and they come out to forage for food at night. They are also known for their distinctive calls, which are loud and deep. They use these calls to communicate with each other, attract mates, and defend their territory. Sadly, due to their nocturnal habits, flightlessness, and habitat loss, kakapos are critically endangered, but thanks to dedicated conservation efforts, their numbers are slowly increasing. Number 9. Short-faced Tumbler. This bird is a rare pigeon breed famous for its almost alien-like appearance, with bulging eyes, a minuscule beak, and a small head. Originally bred in Budapest, Hungary, these tumblers are known for their impressive flying abilities. They perform aerial acrobatics, tumbling and somersaulting in the air with remarkable agility. Their short, powerful wings allow them to execute these maneuvers with ease. The bird was created by the Polto brothers, a pigeon racing enthusiast, by using selective breeding to obtain a high-flying bird that could fly for a long time. They were successful and created the Budapest short-faced tumbler. This pigeon could fly for up to 5 hours without stopping and travel around 800 kilometers. Beyond their flying skills, they're also prized for their beautiful plumage. They come in a variety of colors and patterns, including solid colors, checkered and mottled. Their feathers often shimmer in the sunlight, displaying iridescent hues. However, this appearance can be a problem for the breed. It's hard for baby pigeons to hatch from their eggs because of their small beak and big eyes. Number 8. Satanic Leaf-tailed Gecko. This bizarre little lizard is the Satanic Leaf-tailed Gecko, a creature of the night that blends seamlessly into its surroundings. This creature, native to Madagascar, is a master of camouflage. With its flattened body, leaf-like tail, and mottled skin, it's nearly impossible to spot among the trees. But it's not just its appearance that makes this gecko so captivating. Its behavior is equally intriguing. During the day, it remains motionless, clinging to tree trunks or rocks, almost indistinguishable from the surrounding foliage. As night falls, it comes to life, hunting for insects with its keen eyesight and stealthy movements. With its specialized toe pads, it's an agile climber, capable of scaling even the smoothest surfaces. Thriving in habitats with sparse vegetation and rocky outcrops, this gecko's remarkable adaptations have allowed it to survive in environments where few other creatures can. Number 7. Barreleye Fish. Have you ever heard of a creature with a completely see-through head? It's called the barreleye fish, and its unique adaptations are perfectly suited for its deep-sea habitat. Unlike what might appear at first glance, the small black circles above its mouth aren't its eyes. Those are actually its nostrils. The fish's eyes are the green barrel-shaped structures situated behind its nostrils. This means the barreleye fish is essentially looking through its translucent head, which is protected by a transparent dome and fluid. Due to their tube-shaped eyes, barreleye fish have a limited field of vision. However, this isn't a problem, as they typically only need to look upwards. This is because they live just beneath their prey, jellyfish. In their usual resting position, the creature's eyes are directed upwards, constantly scanning for food. The green shield in their eyes filters the sunlight penetrating the ocean, making it easier to detect the bioluminescent glow of jellyfish. Number 6. Soft-shelled turtle. Meet the soft-shelled turtle, a stealthy aquatic creature that's perfectly adapted for life underwater. These turtles have unique leathery shells, unlike the hard shells of other turtles. This flexible shell allows them to move quickly and easily through their watery homes. One of the most striking features of the soft-shelled turtle is its long, slender neck. This allows it to reach out and snatch prey from a distance, giving it a distinctive advantage in the hunt. Their faces are also quite expressive, with large eyes that allow them to see clearly in the murky waters they inhabit. These turtles are carnivores, and they have a voracious appetite. They use their sharp beaks to snatch fish, insects, and even small reptiles from the water. They are excellent swimmers, and they use their powerful legs to propel themselves through the water. However, despite their fierce appearance, soft-shelled turtles are actually quite shy. They prefer to spend their time hiding in the mud or under logs. Number 5. Mexican hairy porcupine. The Mexican hairy porcupine is a fascinating and lesser-known rodent native to Mexico and Central America. Unlike its more well-known cousins, this porcupine doesn't rely on its quills for defense as much. Instead, it's known for its agility and speed, often scampering up trees to avoid predators. When scared, it can stand its hair on end, making it look bigger and less tasty to predators. Plus, it has sharp claws that can scratch or even hurt attackers. Their long, sharp incisors are perfect for gnawing on tough vegetation, and their powerful hind legs allow them to climb trees with ease. While they may not have the iconic quills, their hairs are still a formidable defense. Mexican hairy porcupines are generally solitary animals, coming together only to mate. They have excellent climbing abilities.
Hello! Okay, stop. Hello! Can we move on?
And are often found in forested areas. Number 4. Gerenuk. Gerenuks are a fascinating species of antelope that look like a cross between a giraffe and a gazelle. Gerenuk, a slender antelope native to East Africa, are often called giraffe gazelles due to their long necks and legs. These unique creatures have adapted to their arid environment in remarkable ways. Their elongated necks allow them to reach leaves high up in acacia trees, a food source that many other herbivores can't access. Their slender bodies and nimble hooves allow them to navigate through thorny bushes and rocky terrain. But it's not just their necks that make Gerenuks unique. Their large, mobile ears are incredibly sensitive, helping them detect predators from a distance. Combining that with their swift running ability, and you have a creature that's well equipped to survive in the harsh African landscape. Gerenuks are social animals, living in small herds led by a dominant male. They're most active during the cooler parts of the day, early morning and late afternoon, which helps them conserve energy in the scorching heat. Number 3. Secretarybird. This majestic bird with eyelashes takes down prey using its bone-shattering kick. The Secretarybird is a large bird of prey native to Africa with a unique appearance that sets them apart from others. Their long legs, sharp talons, and impressive height make this predator highly efficient in its hunting technique, which involves stomping on its prey with its powerful legs, particularly snakes, earning it the nickname Serpent Eater. It's not your imagination. The Secretarybird does look like a secretary. In fact, that's exactly where its name comes from. Back in the 1800s, secretaries were men who often wore gray tailcoats and dark pants. They'd tuck quill pens behind their ears. The bird's long legs and its habit of carrying sticks reminded people of these dapper gentlemen. Number 2. Proboscis Monkey. These primates are one of the most unique-looking animals on the planet. Just look at that nose! The Proboscis monkey is instantly recognizable for its long, fleshy nose, which is especially prominent in males. And the thing is, that nose isn't just for show. It's a big deal in the world of proboscis monkeys. It's believed that the size of the nose plays a role in attracting females, with larger noses being seen as a sign of strength and health. These monkeys are found exclusively in the coastal forests of Borneo, where they spend much of their time swinging through the trees. But here's the kicker. They're also incredible swimmers. Yep, you heard that right. They can dive into rivers and swim across to different islands, which is essential for their survival in a habitat that's frequently flooded. And let's not forget about their social lives. They live in groups of up to 20 individuals, and their interactions are complex and fascinating. They're always grooming each other, playing games, and just generally being their goofy selves. Number 1. Bumphead Parrotfish. Ever seen a fish with a built-in helmet and a craving for coral? This is the Bumphead Parrotfish, a key player in keeping our coral reefs healthy. The distinctive bump on its head, which gives it its name, houses a powerful jaw and teeth capable of scraping algae off coral reefs. This peculiar fish munches on coral, which might sound destructive, but it's actually essential. By feeding on algae that can overgrow coral, it helps maintain the delicate balance of the reef ecosystem. This fish is like a gardener of the reef. Its feeding habits help prevent algae from overtaking coral, allowing reefs to thrive. Healthy reefs mean a more vibrant underwater world for all marine life and benefit countless marine creatures, from tiny shrimp to majestic sharks. Its unique appearance and vital role in maintaining reef health make it a truly remarkable creature. By protecting these fish, we're not just safeguarding their species, we're also preserving the delicate balance of our oceans. Which animal surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn the notification on so you won't miss any upcoming videos. See you next time!